all in. So I have construction adhesive holding the pressure treated wood together. I've also screwed that just to keep it flush while the glue is drying. Screws don't really matter, but it's just to keep it all together. And then I did not screw it into the actual beams themselves. I did place 2 nails. These were a really snug fit. I don't think they're going to move at all, but that's just there as a peace of mind. I don't want to screw it into the beams because they're different material, so they'll expand and contract differently in the moisture. Also marked what the screw heads are for the next guy in 100 years. A bead of clear caulking that'll dry to a cure of clear. This way it'll act as a little bit of a water dam, so if any water gets in underneath the flashing, it won't roll into the wood. I also spray painted the pressure treated wood on the end grain. Just even though it's pressure treated, you don't want it to absorb moisture.